everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 to our outing in La Union Province. Hope you like this video. So anyway, andito kami sa Amara La Cocina restaurant. Their food is pasta, baby back ribs, and a lot more. Also, meron din silang wood brick oven pizza dito. Siyempre, Italian food ito. Italian restaurant, so kailangan merong mga gelato. So, like I said earlier, meron silang wood brick oven pizza. Ito ang popular dito kapag umorder ka, bibigyan ka nila ng privilege na gumawa ng sarili mong pizza. Pero syempre with their guidance. Hello, ano pong pangalan niyo? One, okay. Gagawa kayo ng pizza. Ayusin mo, Choy. Ayusin mo yung hilapok iton. Choy, ano yung bagang tuwalya? Ayan, sige. Oh my God, ang taas. Wow. Oh, ganun pala, Choy. Ayan. Oh, magta-toppings ka na.
Standard po yung wax.
Spread it, Choy. That's good. Hindi nakapagluto pala tayo dito. Oh. Ayan. So, ilang minutes yan, kuya? 8 to 5 minutes? Ay, 3 to 5 minutes. Ay, saglit lang pala, no? Okay, thank you. Your turn na, Cassandra. You wanna try to flip or ano, toppings ka na lang? You wanna try those? Okay. Huwag mong ihagis. Okay. It's your turn. Higher a little bit. Ooh. Oh my God. Kaya mo na kay kuya. There she is. Huwag mo lang daw ilagpas. That's the Hawaiian. Okay. Wow.
Your very cold beer and very cold dessert.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's the, what is that? Is that the calamari?
Yeah.
Okay, the chicken and the cheese pizza.
Answer your classic platter
Wow.
for everyone, sir.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
that looks
Sir, you want
good.
another cake?
Take this away.
Base cake?
Yeah.
This is good.
Mine.
Truffle pasta.
So these mushrooms. That's chicken. Or chicken, okay. I like this song. Turn it up.
The one that's
Oh, tell please, turn it up.
Good morning! So, today, last day na namin, kaya sabi ng mga bagets, sulitin na daw kuno namin. Actually, ito ang aga-aga pa talaga nito, mga 8 o'clock pa lang siguro ito. Magsiswimming kami. Akala ko lumabas na naman si Uncle.
Sobrang lamig dito kasi bundok.
Chuy, tawag ka. Good morning po. Ayan, ang daming mga cottages dito. At saka magaganda pa. Kung hindi nga lang sana medyo malayo dito, hindi na sana kami stay over. Kaso, from Pampanga to La Union, at least couple hours ang driving. So, medyo malayo talaga. Nice! Ang ganda. Na, Kuya Choy. Lamig.
Dadahalin mo kasi katawan mo pababa. Para mawala agad, dapat binibigla.
Kagapon hindi gano'ng malamig. No?
Umaga ngayon eh.
Kailangan hanggang... Kailangan hanggang doon, ha? Okay. 2, 3.
Kinakahapot ng pako! Yung pako! Inawakan.
Naglakad. Naglakad na lang eh. Ito yung pavilion nila. Nice. Ayan. So, itong bridge na to, connecting ito doon sa isa pang resort. Although, mag-isa lang siya, Pugad Adventure pa rin siya. And then, marami ka pa rin makikita doon mga cottages. May mga birds din doon, mga animals. And then, may mga swimming pool. And then, pwede ka rin doon mag-kayak. Yun. Marami pang makikita din doon. Ayan. So, itong area na ito, dito ka pwedeng magkayak. I mean, hindi naman siya as in talagang malalim. Pero, this area is only for kayaking. So, if you wanna do kayak, you have to pay for 50 pesos, and that is for 30 minutes. That is really cheap, and at the same time, you're gonna be having fun doing it.